Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Shelly Home Design. So in today's video, I'm going to be working on these bar stools. I'm actually moving soon, and I found these bar stools in one of my old closets, and I decided, let's fix them up, and then maybe we could even sell them. And if I like them a lot, maybe I'll just keep them. But as you can see, they've got some paint splatter on them, mainly from the years of all the projects I've done, and maybe not being so careful with paint. But let's get into upgrading these into something more beautiful, shall we? So first what I'm going to do is start taking them apart, and I'm going to be very careful with this, and I'm actually going to take all the screws and I'm going to put them back where they go afterwards, just not together. That way I don't lose any of them. And then I take apart the swivel thing on the top of them, and I'm just kind of deconstructing them. Now I'm going to wipe them down with acetone, and these are metal, so I can wipe them down with acetone. I would not recommend that with something that is painted. However, now I'm going to go over and paint them in gold. Now, I didn't film it, but after painting these thoroughly with 2 coats of gold spray paint, I also coated them in a clear coat of lacquer. Now for those seats, I'm pulling off all of the old fabric that was on there. It was vinyl, and I purchased some new vinyl that is actually tan. It's nice and neutral, and I'm going through and I'm putting them on with a staple gun, and I'm working from one side to the opposite side and then to the opposite side again, kind of like a pie section of 8, and then I'm slowly going around and pulling really tight to make sure that there are not very many puckers. And now I am putting them back on the chairs. So everything is dry, and I'm putting the chairs back together in the way that I took them apart, except backwards. And that way I remembered how to put them together, and I didn't lose anything because I had all the screws put in place. Let's go back to some of those before pictures. Here is a front view of them before, and here's a view of what they look like up close. Not the best. And here they are now, after being completely redone. I'm really happy with how they look. And here's another close-up of the actual seat. It turned out really smooth. I'm really happy with how they turned out. I really hope you guys liked watching this video. I really enjoyed making it. And if you did like this video, then please consider liking it. And if you like me and the things I do, then please consider subscribing. It means so much to me. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. I'm going to have a great day myself, and I will see you next time. Bye.